what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing another unboxing video. Or I'll be reviewing another unboxing. I'll be reviewing the new LuxSB fragrance subscription service. So if you guys want to check this out and see what it's all about, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so for LuxSB, they actually rebranded themselves. This is not a new scent subscription service. They actually rebranded themselves from being Luxury Scentbox to LuxSB, but it's the same company. They are based out in California, and what this is a $15 a month subscription service. So not only does it cater to women, but it also caters to men, and you get to choose between 500 different fragrances of your choice. And when you first start out, they ask you to fill out a survey, so they can kind of gauge to see what type of brands you like, what type of scents you like, so they can make sure they send you the appropriate scent of your choice every single month. Now the coolest thing is that when they send it to you, they do send a reusable little container so that you could just pop out the old scent, put it into the new container, and take it with you on the go, because it is only a 9mm size, so it's about like 30-day supplies, or I forgot how many pump size it was, but it's like the 30-day supplies, and it's actually really cute. Not only do you get this, but they also give you like a little traveling case that you could take with you everywhere you go. So I actually think it was really cool that they reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to try it. So I was like, yeah, you know what, I like trying different perfumes, because I usually stick to like my Marc Jacob Daisy or do like a lot of Victoria's Secret fragrances, but whenever I'm in Ulta, I like to spray different perfumes to see which one I like. So it'd be kind of cool to like try out different ones each month, because I've always wanted to try Scentbird, and I think used to talk about Scentbird at my job. I never talked about it at my YouTube. I used to talk about it at my job, but when this company reached out to me, I was like, well, I never heard about you guys, and said, well, this is what we're about. They actually told me that the founders were fragrance specialists, which I didn't even know it was like a thing, but they're fragrance specialists, study different type of fragrances, and they've been studying this for about 17 years of expertise working in the fragrance market, which again, brand new to me. I didn't know there was like a whole market or science behind it, but I mean, I guess that would make sense that there would be. But they asked me if I wanted to try this out. They have two different brands. They have two different type of boxes. They have the $15 a month one where you get one scent, or they have the premium, which is $18 a month. You get a brand new scent that's exclusive just for those members, with a brand new traveling case every single month. So normally you get sent one fragrance to try out, but they actually sent me 3 to see which one I like the most. And when they asked me which one was their favorite, I was like, well, it just kind of surprised me. Like, I like Victoria's Secret type of smells, and I like floral, like, you know, Marc Jacob Daisies, like just kind of surprised me, because I'm kind of, like I said, I'm open to new different type of scents. And so they're like, all right, so they sent me this cute little bag. Actually how the package looks, so it has the LuxSB on here, very soft, very minimal, and it's not like this big box. And then when you open it up, you do get your 3 little fragrances in here, plus you get your little travel size right here, so you can actually put the little vial in here. Let me show you. Let me take one out of the box. So this is what it looks like. So you take it, you put it right in here. Boom. Really easy to travel with, and it's actually really beneficial to have for me, because working at Disney and having to walk outside all day, I mean, some people can be stinky, so it's kind of nice to have like a perfume they can carry with you at all times and not have to like worry about you being stinky. So let's go ahead and see what I got. I only tried one perfume so far. I tried it yesterday when I went out to Disney, and I thought I smelled amazing, and it lasted all day, which I was actually rather surprised about, because normally I'm like, do I still smell? And Corey's like, no, you still smell good. Now this is a month-to-month contract, so just like Ipsy and BoxyCharm and Kinder Beauty Box, this is a month-to-month contract. You get to charge first of the month. They send it out to you. They give you one little fragrance to try. Now you do have the option of going in there and choosing the different type of fragrances you want to try, so you guys make sure you guys stay up to date on that. Check your calendars. You can kind of like list everything and how you want it by just saying, this month I want this month I want to try that. You do get a new colored vial for every single season if you're just a normal member. But if you are a premium member, they send you a new vial of different colors every single month. But it's cool because like for fall, I'm assuming they switch it up. For Christmas, it's like a quarterly thing. But so far I just got the standard black one. But what's cool about it is you take it and you twist it up. So right now this is the perfume right here. To open and close, you just twist it. You take it and you that smells really, really good. And then you close it up, put it right in here. Now to refill it, you're gonna push this all the way up. You're gonna pull the glass vial out from the top of the case. Just like that, you just twist it, right? So this one, it actually tells you what scent you're using. So this is the Shea and Blue White Peaches perfume that's made in England. And like I said, it's only a 9mm little vial, but it's really cool because it just allows you to try out different type of brands, and then whenever you want to replace the cartridge, or I don't know why I'm saying cartridge, but whenever you want to place the perfume, you place it right back in here, close it up, you are good to go. So like I said, the first one that they actually sent me is the Shea and Blue White Peaches perfume. Now I did get a little pamphlet, I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's right here. This is the Blueberry Musk, the scent of sensuality, blueberries, or orange blossoms, magnolia, musk, and cashmere woods. It says, cast your spell, watch them fall. The secret of sensual musk tasseled with blueberry, spellbound with magnolia and orange. This is the winner for Best New Fragrance House of the 2014 The Beauty Shortlist. I'm not gonna lie, it actually smells really, really, really good. It's very floral. Like, I don't smell blueberries. I can smell a hint of orange. I'm not like a fragrance concierge. I'm not like a fragrance expert, but I can definitely say this smells really, really good. I really am liking the way it smells, and I really like the little travel case that it comes with. This is definitely gonna be like going in my purse. Maybe I could spray some tourists with it when I walk by Disney and be like, you need some. The next little scent, see, this is what I'm talking about. See how it changes colors? So pretty, so pretty. You twist it up, and let's see what we have in this one. So this one is Vanilla Apricot. That's made in France. Whew. That is very, very, very sweet smelling. Well, that actually smells really, really good. It smells really, really fruity. I like the scent of that. And then the last one, like I said, normally you don't get 3, but they wanted to send me 3 so I could try out different fragrances, because unfortunately I was like, I don't really know what scent I want to try. So surprise me. I'm always open up to ideas, but we're gonna twist it up. We're gonna pull the little vial out, and this is Shea and Blue. Did I just get 2 Shea and Blues? Yeah, I'm really sorry that I did not catch this earlier, guys. I just saw this while I was editing, that this is how it came delivered. So I really hope that is not how the rest of the service is. Unfortunately, I did not catch this while I was filming, so I do apologize for that. But this is how the salted caramel looks. I only used it the one time in the video because I've been using the other Shea and Blue. And unfortunately, I didn't see this until I was editing, and I was like, oh my god, is that pretty much empty? So I hope this is not how the rest of the service is done. I mean, my other 2 vials are completely full, but this one I noticed was almost empty. So hopefully this is a fluke. I'm gonna give this another chance, and if other products turn out this way, then I'm definitely not going to recommend this service. However, so far, this is the only thing I see wrong with it. It's just that it came with such little product. And like I said, you're not supposed to get 3 in one box. You're only supposed to get 1, and I got 3. So I don't know why this came out the way it did. And I do apologize for not being able to come on camera. I'm not camera ready. But yeah. I saw this while editing, and I had to just come on here and tell you guys about this. I still really liked the other 2 perfumes, and I really do like this one. This one smells really, really good. I just hope that this is not how the rest of the service is. So I do apologize. The rest of my review is going to be on a positive side, because unfortunately I did not catch this while I was filming, but future self here did catch it and wanted to tell you guys about it. So just know that did come out pretty empty. Don't know why. I'm going to give this service another chance, and if another product turns out like this, then I'm definitely not going to recommend it. So just want to give you guys a heads up that I did catch this, and I do apologize for not catching it sooner. This is a different one. Oh, this is a different one. This is a Shea and Blue Salt Caramel. Oh, so Shea and Blue is the name of the brand. Okay. Ooh, wow. That smells like fall. Like a pumpkin fall. You know, salted caramel? That smells like fall. That smells so good. Now, I would definitely say these scents are highly fragranted, because when I was trying to spray these around, you can smell it in the house. I'm pretty sure Corey sitting over there can smell the perfume as well. But This is really, really cool. I do like this service. Now, like I said, it doesn't just cater to women, it does cater to men as well. So not every single month am I gonna want a perfume. I'm probably gonna wanna pick out some cologne to give to Corey as well, because I love men that smell amazing, and he has some really good colognes that I had picked out for him. So I'm definitely gonna keep trying this out because it's such a cool little idea. It's just like Scentbird, but it's just a different brand. Just like BoxyCharm is to Ipsy, Ipsy is to BoxyCharm. That's the exact same thing as LuxSB. And like I said, you get to pick out between 500 different fragrances of your choice. You kind of get to pick out ahead of time to see which one you want. You guys do get different color ones depending on the season. Unless you are a member, then you do get a different changing vial every single month. You do get a cool little travel bag that can go with it, and it's only $15 a month, which is really not that bad because it's a great way to test out different type of fragrances you might not even find here in the United States, fragrances you might find overseas, but they do offer like name brands as well. Like I know that I saw Gucci on there, I saw Dolce & Gabbana on there, I saw Versace on there. So they don't just offer like brands that I haven't heard of, they do offer name brands on there as well. It's really cool because it's a great way to try out different type of brands, and they were so kind enough to offer me a discount code for you guys, and the discount code is going to save you guys 30% off your first box. So instead of it being $15 for the first box, it's going to be $9.75 plus there's free shipping, and I believe free shipping is included in every single box, but it is going to be free shipping with the first box being $9.75. You guys can choose any fragrance that you guys want to try, and yeah, I think it's a really cool idea. It's a great way to try different type of brands out there. I'm really going to enjoy this. I'm definitely going to go pick out some cologne so I can send over to Corey because I want to smell some really nice fancy things on him. But I'm actually really liking these scents, and the longer that they stay on, the nicer that it smells. Okay, this Shea and Blue Salted Caramel, like I can't, it's just such a wonderful smell. Very, very nice and luxurious for sure. The cool thing is that you also really love your scent. You can actually go on and buy the full size of this at a discounted rate for being a member, which is actually really cool. So thank you so much LuxSB for sending this out to me. I cannot thank you guys enough. These scents smell so amazing. You guys did a good job picking them out for me, and yeah guys, I will have everything on this box linked down below so you guys can go check it out, go browse through the website, and I really hope that you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post mostly 3 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It's going to be our Florida life. You guys can see all my cool, wonderful adventures with Corey. And as always guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! So what they do is that they're very comparable to Scentbird. So I should probably get all my information right. XB to LuxSB. So you get to pick subscription service. So you get to pick out any sorts of friends. Twist it, twist that. Let's try this. So thank you guys so